In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a string to array in N8N. By the end, you'll know how to take a single text value like a comma-separated list and turn it into a clean array you can reuse elsewhere in your workflow. Start by opening your N8N dashboard and creating a new workflow. Give it a clear name so you'll recognize it later. This keeps things organized, especially when you revisit or share the workflow in the future. Next, add a set node, or use any node that already provides the string you want to convert. If you're using a set node, switch to JSON mode or add a new field in UI mode and create a property such as input string. For a quick example, you can paste something like apple, banana, cherry. The exact delimiter matters here, so note whether your values are separated by commas, semicolons, or pipes. If there may be extra spaces, don't worry, we'll handle trimming in the next step. Now add a function node and connect it to the set node. This node is where we'll transform the string into an array using a few lines of JavaScript. Open the function node and in the code editor, paste something like this. Return items map item equals const str equals item json dot input string time to string const delimiter equals const r equal str dot split delimiter dot maps eat s dot trim dot filter s is s length 0 item json dot output array equals arr return item chars. Here's what this code does. It reads the string from item json.input string, falls back to an empty string if it's missing, and defines the delimiter as a comma. It then splits the string into parts, trims spaces from each value, removes any empty entries, and writes the result to item json output array. If your string uses a different separator, change the delimiter to match, for example, or hop. If you expect numbers, you can map over the array and convert with number, as long as your data is consistent. When you're ready, save the workflow and execute it. After the run completes, open the function node's output. You should see an array under output array with each value cleaned up. If the array looks off, double check your delimiter or confirm the original string doesn't include unexpected characters. That quick check usually resolves most issues. That's all you need to convert a string to an array in N8N using a set node, a function node, and a simple snippet of code. Save your changes and you're ready to plug this array into the next steps of your automation.